that is Noha Wutsugu. I hope you all are doing very well and enjoying the holiday season. This is my favorite time of the year. I really like Christmas and the New Year vibe. I love them. I don't know why, but I get very positive vibe during this time of the year. So without wasting any time, आज की वीडियो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. आज की वीडियो is all about makeup tutorial which you can wear on Christmas Eve as well as on New Year party. So basically we are going with a bold red lipstick and neutral kind of eye look so that it can go with any color of the dress you are wearing. I prefer to wear red because I totally love red and love to wear red on Christmas. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Also guys, I will be using Gub USA brand brushes. These are the pack of 8 brushes. Super affordable, trust me. I have been using these brushes since like 2 or 3 months and I love them. I got this kit from Nykaa. इसमें 8 brushes हैं. यहाँ पे मैं mention कर दूँगी 1 powder brush, blush brush, foundation brush, eyeshadow brush, eyeshadow blending brush, lip brush, slant eyeshadow brush, mascara brush and so on. So guys, ये आपको पूरा का पूरा पैक 1500 का मिल जाएगा. Amazon, Flipkart और Nykaa पे अवेलेबल है. इनका जो इसका जो लिंक होगा वो डिस्क्रिप्शन में होगा, आप देख सकते हो. So now let's begin. So guys, for the base I'm using here new product. This is from Swiss Beauty. It is a real makeup base. It is a kind of highlighter and primer. I'm using it for the first time. Let's see how it goes. So I'm going to take 2 pumps of it. You can see it do have some kind of glossy effect in it. Let me apply on one side and show you. The texture is very creamy guys. Okay guys, so you can see I have applied on this side. यहाँ पे हल्का सा glossy effect आ गया है. That I love for this holiday season. I literally love it. As per their claim, it is a 3-in-1 product like a good makeup base or a moisturizer, you can say a highlighter as well as a primer. I have used it for the first time. I will be sharing a detailed review later on, but right now I literally like it. My skin looks nice. For the foundation, I'm using here Maybelline Superstay 24-hour foundation in shade 128 Warm Nude.
So guys, I'm just taking 2 pumps of it and with the help of this foundation brush, 2 pumps is sufficient for my entire face. आप देखना बहुत कम प्रोडक्ट ये यूज़ करता है एंड ब्लेंडिंग इज सुपर्ब एंड स्पेशली जो इसका डिज़ाइन बना हुआ है, जो इनर एजेस होते हैं हमारे आइज़ के, उसमें बहुत अच्छी तरह से ब्लेंड करता है. जस्ट सी द मैजिक. आई टोटली लव दिस ब्रश.
I must say the bristles are very soft and बहुत ही कम प्रोडक्ट ले रहे हैं. आप देख सकते हो बिल्कुल वेस्टेज नहीं है.
Guys, for the concealer, here I am using Swiss Beauty liquid concealer in shade 02. This is my first time I am using it. I have heard so much about this concealer. First of all, it is super affordable. 199 में आपको ये मिल जाता है. Amazon पे काफ़ी अच्छी सेल पे चल रहा है. I got it for 149. And with the same foundation brush, I am applying this concealer. Especially जो इसका edgy design है, that helped me to blend my concealer perfectly in my inner corner of eye. So I just love it. Concealer अभी तक तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, but still I will be giving a detailed review later on. Now with the help of fluffy powder brush, I am setting my entire makeup base with Fit Me Compact powder. If you have oily skin, then this step is really important. And after all, I am locking the entire base with setting spray. To give it more finished look, I am using a beauty blender to set my face. The beauty blender here I am using is also from Gub USA.
So we are done with our base. I'm really happy with my base. So now let's begin with the eye. Before starting that, I will be setting my under eye with some loose powder so that अगर eye shadow के कुछ भी fall out होंगे वो उस ऊपर गिरेंगे and then I can just wipe out. So here I'm using Fit Me loose powder with Gub USA powder brush. It's a very good brush. So I'm just taking few of it and dusting the excess and just
For my eyebrows, I am taking Miss Clear eyebrow pencil in shade brown. This is a super affordable and the best eyebrow pencil. It cost only for rupees 110.
For the eye look, I will be using this Beauty glazed color board palette. I got this because one of my friends suggested it. You can check her channel. Her name is Tanuja and she make amazing content. I literally love this palette. I will be coming up with another video जिसमें इसका complete detail review होगा. Let me show you the color for now. आपको इस तरह के 4 sections मिलते हैं. Just see, this one is the complete green one. I just love it. Just look at the vibes. Okay, and then we do have some coral red and all. And then we have this purple game going on, and the last but not the least, this is some kind of, oh sorry, this one was blue and this is the purple and lavender and all that. Today we are going to use this red warm coral kind of palette. So let's begin. So guys, I will be creating this brown smoky look kind of eye. I literally love it because it will go perfect with any kind of the dress you are wearing. So let's begin. First of all, I have applied the concealer on my eyelid. Now I'm applying this Fit Me powder to set the concealer with the same foundation brush. I will be taking this lightest shade. This is the eyeshadow brush from Gub USA. I must say the grip is very good.
Now I am taking eyeshadow blending brush from Gub USA and taking the dark brown color.
Just blend from the outer to the inwards. Make sure to blend the outer edges because we don't need any kind of harsh shade or anything else. I must say बहुत ही अच्छा ब्रश है, blending बहुत smoothly हो रही है. So now with the help of the finger, I am taking this golden shimmer kind of shade. The best way to apply these kind of pressed glitter are with fingers. बहुत अच्छी तरह से apply होते हैं. Clearly. Now with the same brush, take the lightest nude shade and apply on the brow line.
This step really enhances the entire eye look. And for the eyeliner, I have picked here Lakme black eyeliner.
And for the lower lash line, I am taking the same brown color with this angular eyeshadow brush.
And then just add mascara of your choice. Here I am using my favorite Maybelline mascara. It is perfect for this look.
So we are done with the eye makeup. Now comes highlighting, blush and lipstick. For lipstick, I will be using this K Beauty in shade Action. This is the perfect red color that I need for this look. I just love this shade. Just look at it. I am in love with this shade.
So now for the blush, I am taking here Gub USA blush brush. It comes in angular form and perfect to apply the highlighter as well as the blush. And for the blush, I have picked K Beauty soft nude blush. This is the new launch of K Beauty products. इनका review बहुत जल्दी आ रहा है.
Angular form में आता है. I'm just taking a little bit of it because pigmentation wise it is superb. Little bit of it, dusting the excess and just applying it. Just look at it guys. बहुत अच्छी तरह से blend होता है. Like it gives a look of airbrushing. I love it. Just have a look guys. I totally love it.
So we are done, but just to give a finished look, I'm using here eyebrow brush from Gub USA to just finish my eyebrows and give it a proper look. And with the help of the lip brush, I'm applying the highlighter to the inner corner of my eyes. This is perfect brush to apply the highlighter to the inner corners. And now we are done. I totally love this look, like from the lipstick to the eyeshadow to everything to jewelry and all. I totally love this. सबकी details आपको description में मिल जाएंगी guys.
So guys, I totally love this look. Like complete Christmas and New Year vibes मुझे इससे मिल रही है. I am freaking loving it. Just have a look guys. Just let me know in the comment section अगर आपको ये look अच्छी लगी हो. I totally love it. So guys, this was for my today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to buy Gub USA brushes, उनका link description में होगा. You can go and buy it. All the products जो मैंने use किए हैं उन सब के link description में होंगे guys. Do check the link. काफी अच्छे अभी offers New Year and Christmas के लिए चल रहे हैं. So guys, do check all the links mentioned in the description. I will be coming up with another video very soon. Till then, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance.